Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy F62 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set dark mode in your phone Samsung Galaxy F62. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here and click on display. Then click on dark. Dark mode will be instantly applied. See the changes. Everything is in dark and white combination. So if you want to set schedule to dark mode, you can do it. Go to the settings again and click on display, then click on dark mode settings, and here turn on this button, turn on as scheduled. So you can set a schedule, and at that schedule dark mode will be applied. First option is sunset to sunrise. You can just pick up this, and automatically your phone will detect a sunset and sunrise. At that time dark mode will be applied. For example, at the evening, that is sunset, dark mode will be applied, and in the morning it will be removed. Dark mode will be removed and light mode will automatically appear. If you want to set a custom time, you can select second option, custom schedule, and click on start time. So this is start time. Here I set start time from 18, that is 6 p.m. Click on done, and end time. This is again I select 6, so this is 6 a.m. So 6 p.m. in the evening and 6 a.m. in the next morning will be the schedule, and at the evening it will, dark mode will be applied, and in the morning it will disappear. So in this way you can easily set a schedule, and according to the schedule your phone will follow, and the dark mode will be enabled. If you want to apply immediately, then only you can use dark mode. This dark mode will be useful for using your phone in low light or in night time. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.